If you're looking to update your Telegram password or change your Telegram passcode, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to change your Telegram password for 2024. Let's get started. To begin, make sure you have the Telegram app installed and that you're logged into your account. Now we'll start by opening the app. Once you're in the app, tap the settings icon. This will take you to your account settings. Next, tap on privacy and security. This section contains options for managing your account security. Scroll down until you find two-step verification code. This is where you can manage your Telegram password, also known as your two-step verification password. Tap on set additional password. If you haven't set this up before, you'll need to create a password and provide a hint. But if you already have two-step verification enabled and just want to change your password, tap on change password. You'll be asked to enter your correct password for verification. Enter your current password that you'll be prompted to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Enter it twice to confirm. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your Telegram password. Remember, this password is different from your regular account password and adds an extra layer of security to your account. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.